Changing the bearings on a 2010 Volvo XC70. This is a press-in style wheel bearing. Decided to tackle it myself. You have to press it into the steering knuckle, press the old one out, and for about 95 bucks on eBay you can get one of these Gen2 bearing puller kits. This one is the 82 millimeter, and over here I got my replacement bearings, FAG bearings. Got them from FCP Euro. This is the new bearing, and this is the half moon that you use to install the new ones, which I haven't done yet. This one here is the old one, and it was not fun, I'll tell you that. I just cleaned up the inside of it. I was getting ready to put the new one in. I had to separate the ball joint, I had to get the CV shaft out, and of course take the caliper off and the rotor and the shield, just to make, get everything out of the way. Let's see, you also need a 22 millimeter socket for the tool for one end, and on the other end you need a 30 millimeter, which I just used a crescent wrench, big old crescent wrench. And then there's my breaker bar with another cheater bar. So I'm going to get it set up here, and I'll show you what it looks like before I put it in here. So I got the half moon around the new. This is the new bearing. Goes right around the back of it here, and then you can see there's a lip there that lines it up so that it pushes on the outer race part. So it'll push it in like that without pushing on the front of this. It attaches in here. You'll see this thing here will push into these holes and then drive it in there. So I'll show you in a sec. Alright, here's the new bearing, and I got the silver half moon connected to it here. This is all set up, and then in the back here, you see that's ready to go. And all you gotta do is put a wrench or socket on that, and 22 on that. Start tightening it up, and it should just pull this thing right in here. Hopefully, we shall see. This is a 2010 Volvo XC70, and this is a eBay $95 eBay wheel bearing press tool. It's not holding up too good. I got the old one out, and it already tore up this inner bearing race thing on the tool. So I don't know how many uses you could actually get out of this thing. But yeah, here we go. I'll see what happens.